Hello everyone, this is Narendra Thapa and today I want to show you Vattend.Online. Now before I move into the demo, uh, I want to give a small introduction of what Vattend.Online is. So basically it's a platform for hosting events and meetings, be it a seminar or an exhibition or a conference for your organization or an individual who wants to showcase their product and services. So whatever sort of virtual or a hybrid summit or a meetings you want to host, VAttend will cover it for you. Okay. Now jump into the demo of the VAttend platform. Now what you can see at the moment in my screen is a demo event which I have created for this demo. The name of the event is Startup India. Now the first thing which comes for the event is the marketing page, which all the event managers or the exhibitors would require to to market their event or to give information to the attendees about on the event regarding what the event is all about, what is the agenda of the event, who all are the sponsors and the speakers, and if they have a brochure they can also provide it in the marketing page for the attendees to view. And also marketing page is important for collecting registration like leads, and also the attendee to log in through to the platform. Now as you can see here in the landing page, you can see various options such as speakers, agenda, brochures, contact us, registration now, register now, and a login button. Now please note that the login button will be activated only when the event start date is during the event date, you can say that. Now coming from the top, the register now this field is basically all fully customizable, meaning that the what the information should be there in the registration form can be controlled by the event manager or the organizer from our event management portal. So this is completely customizable. So for example, if there is a particular field which we do not want to show here, and if there are fields which you want to add it, you can include here from the event management portal. Now if you look down, if you scroll down, it will give about us a section which will tell the user about the what the event is all about. And here we have a speaker section which will showcase the speakers who will be speaking on the sessions in the event. Here we can showcase the sponsors, and this is the area for the agenda to see what is the agenda of the event and what are the topics it's going to cover and at what time. Similarly, at the footer area, we have the social links over here so that the attendees can follow your page in the social link like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram or LinkedIn. And here we have a contact us detail so that in case any attendees want to contact you, you can provide your email address, your phone number, and your official address over here. Now, without further ado, let me log into the platform. Now, in order to enhance the security of the platform, we have keepin as OTP based logged in rather than a password based logged in. So here I need to provide an OTP. So let me give an OTP for login. Right. So once I provide the OTP and once I logged in, the attendee or a user is going to see the venue page first. Now as you can see here, we have lot of spaces for branding your event, because we understand that branding is a very important in a virtual event for for more visibility. Now here you can include some of your sponsors or a exhibitors banner or your own banners to to showcase more visibility and build your audience. Now once the attendees are here, they can enter inside the venue by clicking on the enter button. So once they enter inside the enter button, they will see a lobby area. Over here also we have given a lot of space to to brand your event as per your requirement. And from here the user can also navigate or go to different section of the event, such as the auditorium area, the exhibition hall, They can go to, just exit, go outside to the venue area or the info desk area. Now at the right hand side, if you see, we have agenda. And now this agenda is again will give an idea about the sessions which is going to happen on that particular day and the speaker details. Now in the agenda section, the attendees can see the speakers who is going to speak on for that session, and also if they are interested, they can click on any of the speaker and see their profile. For example, if I click on this, then I would be able to see the speaker profile if they have updated their profile. Now apart from this, they can again see the session details, for example. So for example, let me click on this session. Now here you can see in this session there are some details, like for example a description, a small brief description of the session. And also apart from the description, the attendees can also see brochures or any kind of documents or materials which has been attached to this session, so that they can either download at that time, or they can simply click on swag bag, which is basically your virtual bag to add or collect more documents, so that you can review it at your convenient time. So all you need to do is click on swag bag. So you can see that in the swag bag it will be added in your swag bag section, which obviously you can remove or view it later when you have time. And also here, this is in the session detail page, you can see the speakers, and you can also directly join from in this area as well. So this is basically the agenda section. Now after the agenda, on the agenda, now I can go to the networking area. Now this networking area is basically for the attendees to network with each other, or to network with the like-minded people, to check the people, their profile, their interest, and if they wish to connect with them, each other, they can use this platform to connect and share their contact details as well, or any more information if they wish. So all they need to do is, this area will, at the left hand side, this area will show all the attendees who has registered for the event, and they can go and check inside the profile of the attendees and see if their interest, and they can read the bio of the person, and give a send a connection request if they have not sent already. So and they can simply, instead of going to the profile section, they can simply send a connect request from here as well. You can just type a message and just click on send connect request. So once this this is at the moment is pending. So once it is accepted, it will become green, which means you can have a direct one-to-one chat with the attendee. As also you can see here, we have put a badge. So in case if a person is a member of the event, in, like for example, if they are an exhibitor, if they are a speaker, they are a moderator, it will have a different set of badges, so that the attendees can see, and attendee would know that this person belongs to a member of this event, and they can send a connection request or view their profile. Now at the right hand side, you can see it's known as breakout room. Now breakout room is basically a small private room created for a particular particular duration, so that you can make your own topic and make your own group, invite your own group, or have a one-to-one conversation in a private space during the event time, or maybe a session break time. You can have a small 10 minutes or 15 minutes conversation with a particular 5 to 10 people group, or a one-to-one meeting. You can come to the networking area, breakout room, create a breakout room, and you can have a one-to-one conversation over there. Now I'll just this breakout room is currently live, so I will be joining in this breakout room. So once like when I created this breakout room, there is an option as the invitee only, or the anyone can enter. So currently I'm able to enter because I have clicked on anyone can enter, but if you wish, you can just click on invitee only, and you can provide their email address. and only that person can be able to join that breakout room. However, please note that they need to be registered for this event. Now once I go to the breakout room, so let me go to the networking breakout room. So once I go, you will see this screen which will basically show a video preview. It will ask to test the speakers and your camera, and you can simply click on join the breakout room. Now here in the breakout room, you can see here, this is the meeting area. Now you can turn on your camera, you can mute yourself, you can share your screen if you wish to show something. And here we have a light mode and a dark mode. So if you prefer a light mode, you can convert this into a light mode, and if you prefer a dark mode, you can keep a dark mode on. At the right and at the left hand side, you can see the participants, how many participants are here in this room, and you can similarly send a chat message as well from here. This is again the changing the light mode and a dark mode. So this is here where you can conduct your own private meetings, or a one-to-one interviews, or any kind of meetings which you want to do in a private space can be conducted in a breakout room. Let me leave from this meeting. Right. So once I'm done with the networking room, we have a session area which will again showcase all the sessions which is going to happen or which has already happened. Now the sessions which is live currently ongoing is the user will be, or the attendees will be able to see the join button and a view button. This view button will take them to the event detail page, and this join button will take them directly to the this where the session is happening. So if I click on join, I will see the auditorium image here. Now as you can see, we have enough space, we have given some spaces here as well for branding purpose. So this can be customizable if they do not wish to keep any space for branding. And also here is currently is a recorded video, but it can also conduct a live video as well, live meetings or webinar as well. And user can also click on the view agenda section here in the left hand side, so that they do not have to go out from the session to see the list of topics which they are going to see. So they can still conduct a session and still see the agenda of the event. So once the session area is done, I will move into the exhibition hall. Now this is the exhibition hall. Now as you can see, in the exhibition hall we have two different templates. One is the scroll view and another is the tiles view. Now the tiles view is something looks like this, and the scroll view, let me just change it to the scroll view. Right, so this is the scroll view. So it's depending on the event manager or the event organizer which view to be kept for the exhibition hall. So for example, here I have kept a scroll view which the user can scroll left and right to navigate the booths, and also they can choose from the above categories which booth they are interested in. And if the user do not wish to navigate like going left and right, what they can do is they can simply click on the exhibitor index logo and go inside the booth directly. For example, I can click on here or here and I can visit this Bitcanny booth here. Now I can see here there are a lot of information which we can provide, like such as your about us, your shopping, your information, your social links, your website, WhatsApp chat, and any kind of extra data if you want to give it, like about a section in a writing or anything. Now here this is a complete image. In the middle we can put in some videos or a GIF image. Now I'll go back to the exhibition hall. Now earlier I've spoke about like there are two templates. So one is the scroll view and another is the tiles view. So let me show you the tiles view and its feature. Now here you can see this is the tiles view of exhibition hall. Now in the tiles view, in the scroll view, if you see, there are images of the booths, but in the tiles view, in the first image would be the logo of the exhibitors, and once the user clicks on the logo, they will go inside the booth, which is something like this. Now here you can see so the information wise, all the information what you see here will be shown in the scroll view as well, provided if the exhibitor has given all this information in the event management portal. However, the difference is the design of the booths. Now in the scroll view, you can see here in the tiles view we can provide GIF images over here, and there are other images areas as well, and a video. But in a scroll view we can only place one GIF image or a video in this area only. These are all static images, but here it is all dynamic. You can include a GIF images over here as well, or another any beautiful content if you have. So, and also we have a lot of other informations like gallery for the user to see, and also the videos like a promotional video or a introduction video, website, social links, about us links, and also a WhatsApp chat is also in the booth in case a attendee wants to directly connect with the exhibitor. So this is all for the exhibition hall. Now I will move it to the last info desk area. So the info desk is basically for the attendees if they need any help from the organizer, if they are not sure where to go, they can come to the info desk area, and they can chat with the organizer or an exhibitor, or they can simply go to the link to the auditorium hall or the exhibition hall directly from here, from the info desk itself. They can download the brochure, they can see the agenda, they can see the speakers, and also go to the different sections. Now moving up, here at the right hand side top, the attendees is going to see their initials, and if they have provided their images, it will be shown you their image as well, like in this one, like here. Now if the user clicks on this drop down, there are certain options like my profile, my connection, logout. So my profile is basically to update my profile section over here, so that the other attendees can view my profile and send me a connection request if they are interested to connect with me. So I can simply click on edit profile, and I can upload my images, my number, my qualification, my company name, bio, any social links if I have any, and I can update this profile. So once the profile is updated, the other attendees is going to see me in the networking area, and they can check out my profile and send me a connect request. Now this is the notification area, where you will be getting notified if in case you have a new connection request, a new message, or your session is about to start. So you will be the attendees will be getting a notification message over here. This is the message area, which you can check all the messages which you have sent or received so far from the different users or different attendees. And the my connection tab is basically to see all your connections. So at the moment I have one connected user, and also if you can see a pending connection which you have sent and which you have received. And here we have a block connection request as well, in case if you want to block anyone. Now this is a swag bag which I have already shown, and I'm back in the lobby. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and you have learned and it was a very informative one. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how we can create this entire event in our event management portal within 20 to 25 minutes. Thank you.